Welcome back guys to another summer edition of Simple Drinks. My name is Johnny, but I guess we already met. Today we're making another simple cocktail, real easy to make, nothing too fancy, 4 ingredients only. It's a fruity, tangy, refreshing drink, perfect for hot summer days. So without further ado, let's make a Southern Mule. First ingredient, Southern Comfort, 60 ml or 2 ounces. Followed by 15 ml of lime juice, freshly squeezed. We need one more. Yeah, that's it. Followed by 3 dashes of Angostura Bitters. Now we need ice. And give it a good shake, 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now in a highball glass, now you can just fill up with ice, or you can do a little mix of lime wedge ice, lime wedge ice. So we're going to drop a lime wedge, add some ice, drop one more lime wedge, add more ice. Now strain the cocktail or fresh ice. Top it up with ginger beer. Give it a quick stir. And garnish with a lime wedge. Add a straw. And that's it, ladies and gents, Southern Mule. Cheers! Oh, it's nice. You get that kick from ginger beer, and you get that fruity taste from Southern Comfort and lime juice and Angostura Bitters. It's good, it's tasty, it's refreshing, perfect summer drink. I definitely recommend this one. Try it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Let me know if you tried it already. If not, I absolutely recommend it. It's a hot summer out there, so find a way to refresh yourself. Well, that's it, ladies and gents. We made a Southern Mule, easy and refreshing summer cocktail. This was another quick and easy tutorial from Simple Drinks. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe. It means a lot. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.